Bitcoin has been the largest and fastest growing asset in this market cycle by a long shot. It's not really surprising because there has been major enterprise, institutional, and government adoption taking place. And that is now bringing us into the next era when it comes to crypto, but that has presented a few challenges. One of them specifically being building with Bitcoin in terms of DeFi. Well, that is where since 2018, Rootstock has actually made this possible. Guys, I'm gonna leave these links in the description below for you guys, but this is the true DeFi layer when it comes to BTC. You guys can see that our BTC has been around since 2018 and actually carries a one-to-one two-way peg with BTC, meaning that at any time, you can in fact redeem one RBTC for one BTC and vice versa. Now, why this is so significant and frankly so exciting is we're again seeing all these entities around the world try to utilize blockchain tech. They're trying to build with blockchain infrastructure. They're trying to launch real world assets on chain. Well, what if you were actually able to do that with the largest asset of all, that which has the most demand? That's why Rootstock has such a leg up on everybody else. Not to mention, they have EVM compatibility. They've been around since 2018. They have perfect uptime. You can bring assets from 20 different blockchains to the Rootstock ecosystem, 158,000 transactions per month. Guys, this is a project that I am very excited about, and it's been very interesting watching it grow from my first cycle here in crypto. But you guys can see many of these partners that you're probably familiar with, many of those who trust Rootstock, again, who have been around for a long time as well. Many of these names you will recognize. We're talking about obviously Alchemy, Layer Zero, MetaMask, right? But that's not the only thing that people should know about. This is RIF. This is the Rootstock Infrastructure Framework. Why this coin is so important is this is the Bitcoin scaling token. This actually fuels infrastructure, incentives, interoperability. And this is the simple way to gain exposure to Bitcoin DeFi growth. Now, looking at RIF's history, you can see there are times of major excitement and times where price is actually down in what I would consider discounted ranges. As always, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice. And we can see that right now, this is a range that has been touched several times and actually has led to some significant rallies. Not saying that's going to happen again, but back here in 2020 into 2021, it actually led to almost a 2,000% rally. Back here in 2022, it actually led to a 500% rally. And again, even here most recently as March of this year, it actually led to, oh gosh, a 133% rally. In all transparency, I have now picked up some RF. I've actually known about Rootstock for a very long time. Never dove in, didn't really pay too much attention to it, but I truly see the demand now for this and how this can in fact accelerate over time. And Rootstock right now is actually only the 521st largest asset in the crypto market at only a $37 million market cap. You guys can obviously figure out yourself how high it could in fact go, but it's already listed on Binance, BitGet, Gate, MEXC, XT, LBank. So it's in a lot of places and just, it continues to grow over time. One thing I did want to mention is right now they actually do have a Golden Sats challenge going on. This is season 4. There's actually $500,000 in rewards. You can actually earn little pudgy NFTs and RIF rewards. So here is actually how you participate. All you have to do is add Rootstock to MetaMask, sign up on galxe.com. Complete the quests on Galaxy, earn tickets, and get rewards. And I'll run you through this here in just a moment. But in season 4, this is now running out of time. Today is the 24th, and December 15th is when this concludes. So that's only what 3 weeks. You only have 3 weeks left to participate in this. Group quest number 1. All you have to do is join Rootstock Discord, Rootstock Telegram, which those links will be down below for you guys. Retweet the season 4 main announcement and tag your favorite crypto influencer, which is hopefully me. Group 2, bridge $40 to Rootstock, swap assets to the Rootstock network. Group quest 3, land assets on Rootstock, borrow assets on Rootstock. Number 4, get RF and stake at least $40 on the Rootstock collective. And quest 5, deposit assets on MOSE or Tropicus. I never know if I'm saying that right or not, but they do have a ticket multiplier as well. So based on the volume you trade, you can in fact earn multipliers on your tickets. So that is very exciting. And if you are not a winner miner, you are actually still able to redeem your tickets for your share of the RIF token prize pool that is powered by Rootstock Collective. So again, all these links are going to be in the description below for you guys to check out. I really like what this project is doing. I love that it's been around now for since 2018. So what's that, 7 years, over 7 years now, functioning flawlessly, maintaining its peg, 100% uptime. That's the exact things that you want to see in a project. They actually have 250,000 followers on Twitter. They're very active. They attend a lot of events. They're really getting the word out there when it comes to Bitcoin DeFi. And again, this has, I believe, huge potential as we're moving into that big era of actually building with blockchain tech. So again, feel free to check this out. Let me know your thoughts. Are you already in Rootstock? Have you gotten your RIF? Is this something you're interested in checking out? But have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.